Biggin.
Yeah.
Biggin.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh, it's off. Did you see that?
No.
Jesus Christ.
What was it, like a 6 pounder?
It was big. It might have been I don't know. It was giant. It was just pulling it. It was pulling drag out of my thing. Jesus Christ. Got one? Here we go. Here's a good one. Yeah. Get out of the weeds, get out of the weeds. Whew. Whew, there we go. Austin's got one. Big boy. Oh, I had him double hooked. That's picture worthy.
Hang on, I guess I'm gonna have to he just snapped at me.
Oh. Biggin, son. Here we go, guys. Release. Come on, buddy. You can do it. He gone. Austin's got hooked up after I just released that fish. There we go. Get it in, son. Get it in. Back to back. Chunks. What?
Fucking one roll on it right here.
Almost ended bad.
You scared or something?
There we go.
That's the one that it has to be the one that's rolled on it. Where'd you catch him at? Like right here?
Yeah, I'm about 15 feet off. All right, bro, calm down, calm down. I hooked your mouth shut. How's that feel? Bro's got weeds lodged down his throat. Nice. Ain't no 4-younder, but he'll do.